clot. You don't cook no food, you. All the ground food in the ground.
So this Jamaican man share his story of how a cat steal his chicken.
Georgie, me just a come from a shop, believe me to God, say me a cook bumbo clot soup, dog. Not even 5 bumbo clot minute me go on the road, dog. See it there. Bumbo clot, the post then gone with the bumbo clot chicken out. What the bumbo clot this one? No blood clot. You don't cook no food, you. All the ground food in the ground. Me just come in. Me didn't even spend no bumbo clot time. Me blood clot push then gone with man chicken, dog. So bumbo blood clot, you. Not even 5 minutes me no spend a shot, dog. See that? Not even 5 bumbo clot minute me no spend on them. Me no spend no time, dog. Bumbo clot push then gone with man chicken, dog. So bumbo clot. Man even can't cook no soup again, dog. So man don't even know, dog. Me just put on them, me not even a second me no go and go spend, dog. Bumbo clot.
This woman baby father is very wicked. He leave his baby mother and baby in the cold.
That's messed up. So he just left you out here like that? Nah, we can't be doing that. I tell you what, I'm gonna have you come. You want to ride me to the job? I have one of my guys take you there when they get there.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't have that baby out here like that. That's messed up.
Are you hungry?
Yeah. But I got you. You can ride with me and I'll have you this. Yeah. Yeah, we can't have the baby out there like that. No, that's crazy.
As a dead, call me. A 3 grand sing, 5 grand sing and ball, 7 grand sing ball and roll. If I'm up a couple, I go down at 10 grand. And for dig me up with club bar at 13 grand. That a town price, country price, different. Country price at 5 grand sing, 7 grand sing ball and roll, 13 grand sing ball and roll over coffin and 16 if you dig me up with club bar. As you're dead, call me. So for Muta, I sing a mad song for Muta to my